Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have all noticed that Trust Wallet is having issues, and some of you are asking me how can you import your seed phrase to another Web3 wallet. So in this video I'll be teaching you how we are going to import your Trust Wallet seed phrase to another Web3 wallet. Okay, for the sake of this video I'll be using OKX. Okay, so when you import your Trust Wallet seed phrase in your OKX wallet, you will be seeing all your assets. Okay, for now Trust Wallet is having issue, is general. Okay, so they say they're going to fix it shortly. You can actually import to OKX or to Bitget wallets, anyone. So I'll be opening my OKX app now. Okay guys, so this is my OKX Web3 wallet. Once you open your OKX wallet, you're going to see exchange, you're going to see wallet. Okay, you're going to see wallet. So you click on wallet. There are some countries that are not permitted to use the OKX exchange. So for the sake of this video, we'll just be using the wallet. Okay, so the first I'm going to do is for you to click on this account one. So you're going to add wallet. Okay, you click here to add wallet. Okay, so they're going to ask you whether you want to create a new seed phrase wallet or you want to import an existing wallet. Okay, so you're going to click import wallet because you already have your wallet in Trust Wallet. So you're going to click on this one. Okay, so we're going to see seed phrase or private key, cloud backup, keyless wallet restoration. So you're going to click on the first one. Okay, you click on the first one. Okay, so they're just security tips. Just read the security tips, then you can click on OK. Okay, so here you're going to paste your key phrase. Okay, your seed phrase, you're going to paste it here. So you click here to paste. Okay, before then you have already copied your seed phrase where you saved your Trust Wallet seed phrase. Okay, so once you paste the key phrase, you are going to click on confirm. Okay, you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it's going to bring you back here. Okay, you're going to see your account here. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, so this is how to import your seed phrase to another Web3 wallet. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you're not in my WhatsApp community, click on the link in the description box of this video or in the comment section for you to join my WhatsApp community. See you in my next video because I'll be making new videos on some airdrops. Okay, thank you for watching.